Hello everyone. Are you looking for Power BI July 2026 updates? Yes, this is Babu. Today in this video, I will walk you through Power BI July 2026 updates. So now in this month, we have a lot of excited updates, and if you are really loving the Power BI desktop, so definitely these updates would may help you. Now let's go and see what are those updates in the official blog. Now here you can see this is the official blog, so we will provide this link in this video description. Please go through this. Here you can see they are mentioning welcome to the Power BI July 2026 update, and here they are giving some contents. Here you can see some general updates, so they are deprecating the old file picker experience in Power BI desktop like this. Here you can see there is something called reporting, modeling, and mobile and services updates. So in this what I did, so I went through all these updates, and I figured it out what are the major important updates which we will which would be helpful for us in our real time. So now in this video I will go and give a few demos on those updates. Now without further delay, let's head over to Power BI desktop. Now we are on the Power BI desktop. Here the first thing, when you are going and implementing new updates with respect to the latest month, you need to check your Power BI version. All right. Now how you can check? Go to the help. Here click on about. Once if you click on about, so here if you see there is something called version July 2026, and they given some this version number, and here they mentioned July. So my Power BI desktop is automatically updating. My Power BI desktop is automatically updated. Now first, this is the first step. You need to check your Power BI desktop is up to date or not. Now let me close this. So in this month, the one of the most awaited feature we are seeing, I'll tell you what is that. Before that, here I have my regular bike data and calendar table. This is the two tables I have. So previously, if you would like to do some bulk changes, there is something called themes. Okay, there is some how you can do. Suppose let's say I would like to customize. I need to go here. Here I need to click this text. I need to select another text. For cards I need to increase the font size. For tab headers I need to increase the font size. This is how we need to do it. Now the wait is over. Now in this month we will have one important update. So now here you can see we have this data tab, build tab, format tab. We have these three tabs is here enabled. Now here you can see a part of this bookmarks, selection, performance analyzer, sync slices. Now here you can see there is something called new. For the first time you are seeing customized theme. This is not there in the previous month. All right, but for you it may not show you. I'll tell you how to enable this. Okay, first let me see how to enable this. Go to the home, again click on file, and go to the options and settings. Again click on options. Once if you click on options, it will open a window. So in this you please go to the preview features. In this preview features, slowly scroll down. So here there is something called, let me highlight it, modern visual defaults and customizing theme improvements. So modern visual defaults and customizing theme improvements. Make sure that you need to check this tick box. Once if you check this, come here, click OK. Once if you click OK, for you it may ask you to restart the Power BI. It's as simple as that. Close the Power BI and reopen the Power BI. That's all. Now once if it is done, then here you can able to see this customized theme. Okay, now let me bring this to here. Just click on this. Once here if I click on this, now here there see data, build, format, customize theme. Okay, now let's go and explore this. See theme settings. If I click this, see here for you it may ask update to current theme. Here we have three type of themes basically they are providing. Currently it is selected to Fluent 2. Now let me select Classic 2018. See how it is changing. Classic 2018. Now let me go and select it to Classic 2026. See, but what I will do, let me go with Fluent 2. Okay, fine. This is theme. You can apply whichever theme you like. And let me go to the colors. See here we can see different colors. So now click on this drop down. See, let's say let me go and select this temperature. See, it is selected to the this color palette. It is select not only this page. If you ask me, page 2 has changed, page 3 has changed. Now let's go and see. Let's say city park. See, it has changed to the city park theme. Page 2 also changed. Page 1 also changed. Now let's go and explore one more thing. Uh, Solar. See, are you seeing the changes? I hope are you getting it. Now let's go and check this accessible title. See, now it is changing to this. Now it's changing to this. So this is one thing. If you like these themes, you can use it, or else you can go with default theme. This is accessible default. Okay. Now let me select it to accessible default. So now next let's come to the text. So in this general text, see here I am increasing. Please observe here what's happening. 11. See here it is changing 12 like this. If I see this card, this KPI value is very less. For me it is not correct. So what I will go and change this to the 30. Please observe here. Okay. See what happened here. It has changed here. Not only this page, it has changed in page 2 as well. All right. Now this is how you need to change. See here there is something tab headers. There is something tab header. Let's see what is this. I think this is related to this table chat. That's fine. This is text. Now let's go to the visual properties. See here for the visual there is a background. There is a background white. Now let me change this to the, let's say for example, light pink. See, are you seeing the changes? See, it is not only changing this, it is changing in every page. See, let me say select green. See, it has changed to the green. See here, it has changed to the green. It has changed to the green. So like this, it would change. Now let me change this to this color. Okay. So now let me change this to, let's say black. Wow. I think it doesn't look good. Let me keep like this. Fine. Now this is background. Let's say border. So I would like to change borders. So here let me go and put the green. See, are you seeing? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll increase the width. I think slowly now you are getting what happening. It is not only changing in page 3, page 2 and page 1 as well. It's changing like this. And not only this. So previously if you would like to adjust this width, and we need to select each and every chart manually. So and also rounded corner. So you can see what's happening if I am adjusting this. See, did you seeing the changes? See, the rounded corners, it is changing for all the visuals. It is changing for all the visuals. Now let me keep it to reset. Let me put this orange color as a border. Okay, fine. So this is one thing. Now header icon. See, these are called header icons. For this, I'll change this icon color to, let's say, green. Now let me on it. See. So now let me change background color as some dark. See now here I think this is not showing. Let me select orange color. See now here you can see everywhere it is changing. Like this for tooltip also you can, let's say if I am on hovering, you can adjust the font for all the charts and all the pages in the report. Next, these three are the default settings. These three are the default settings. And here let's say canvas background. Let's say here if I change, so it's changed to the all the pages. It changed to the all the pages like this. Like this you can change it. You can change it. Canvas settings, width, wallpaper, and here in this theme settings, visual properties, see padding also you can change it. You can change this padding also. If you would like, you can turn on the shadow also. So this is one of the major update which everyone will awaiting for this, and make sure that it's still in the preview stage. Don't go and implement this in your production environments. All right, this is the first update. This is the first update. Now let's talk about next update. So for that, let me go to the page 3. So here if you see, we have these charts. So in this, what is the next update? You know, the line charts, lines conditional formatting. For example, here total profit by month, name and year. Now I would like to apply this conditional formatting. First let me show you the measure which I was written. So in this I have year, month, year here we have, and month, total profit. So here I would like to see the latest year, which is like highlighted, highlighted. So this is the measure I written. Okay, this was the measure I written to get the latest year value. So now what I will do, let me go to the format settings. Let me go here, series labels is turn on. Okay, let me turn on. Let's go to the lines. So here there is something called FX. Click on this FX. So here, please go here, select gradient. Now here, let me select latest year value. Okay, latest year value. So the highest would be green, lowest would be this dark, this one gray color, middle color I'll put the same color. Okay, so this is a old years based on this sales value. Based on the sales value, it will show this. If the sales is highest for the latest year, it would show green value. Let me click OK. See now here, it is, if you see what's happening here. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me go and do here for this settings, filter pane. So I'll reset it to base theme, visual level properties, reset to base theme. Okay, fine. Now this is fine. So now here you can see what's happening. Now here 2025, which is in the green, 2026 also which is in the green, but 2026 green is dark than 2025. Why? Because 2026 having the high value. Now let me put this. See here what's happening, just a minute. So here if I go here, it is showing only 2023 because the selected current year is 2023. Let me expand this to here. So now here you can see 2023 value is higher than 2024. So the lowest value, it is showing the light gray color. Now if I increase, see here 2023 is the highest value. Wherever it is highest value, it is showing the green color. The lowest value, it is showing that this color. If I put it here, see now here you can see remaining every years are 2025 and these are gray color, and only 2026 because 2026 is the latest year. So this is one important update. Now next let's see another update, which is you can apply conditional formatting to legends. Of course that is there, but this is in the general availability. They made it as a GA announcement. Let's go to the format settings. First let's go with this. So here let me tell you the context. See here you can see total quantity by month name and business segment, total quantity by business segment, total quantity by region and business segment. So here we have 4 segments: accessories, bikes, clothing, components. So for accessories it's a blue color, for bikes green color, clothing purple color, components this red color. This is the requirement from my team. So here ideally it is showing the default colors. See for bikes what color it is showing? Blue. For clothing orange. For components there is some other color. For accessories light blue. Now I would like to apply these colors to these 3 charts, legends. So first let's begin with this line chart. Let's go to the lines, click on this FX, go here, it's not gradient or rules, this time field value. Let me go and select segment color. There is a measure, let me show that to you. Let me select first this, let me click OK. See now it has changed to this color. Okay, now let me show you that measure for your practice purpose. So this measure I was created like this, which selected value, accessories the color code, bikes the color code, clothing the color code, components the color code, and this is general color code. So now here you can see it is not only changing the line color, it is changing the marker color as well as this series color. See, bikes green, accessories blue, components red, clothing purple. So it has changed to this. Okay, fine. Now let me apply to this pie chart. So go here, go to the slices, click this FX. Let's go here, let's select field value, let's select segment color. Let's click OK. See, now automatically it is changed to the bikes color, accessories color. The color is matching with this legend. Now let's implement this to the total quantity. This is column chart. Okay, let's go to the column, click on FX. Let's go here, change it to field value. Now search for segment color. Let's click OK. See, now automatically it has changed. So now let's try. If I click on the blue, it is highlighting with blue accessories. See, blue, blue, blue. Now let me click on bikes. See, bikes, bikes, bikes. Let me click on clothing, 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 clothing. Let me click on components, 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 components. See, now it is. So this is very, very helpful. If you would like to use some custom colors to your legend, you please go with this kind of approach. This is one thing. Now let's see another approach. Let's say, let me select this line chart. Let's go to the title. So here, first what I will do, I will between this title and subtitle, I will insert a divider. See, now the divider is there. Okay, sorry, this divider is between the subtitle and after this chart. Now here, size above the subtitle, this above. Here I am increasing. Please observe here what's happening. See what's happening? The distance is increasing between total quantity and subtitle. Now space above the divider, I mean on top of this. Please observe here. See what's happening? It is increasing the space between this divider like this. This also you can do it. This is one update. Previously it was not there. All right. Now this is one thing. Now there is one update. There is one update. For that, let me go to the another PBX file. See, this is just a sample PBX file which is having many pages. I'll show you the pages. If I right click here, see, it is having almost 25-30 pages. 25-30. You can imagine this is your project report which is having this 25 pages. So let's say you would like to build another page like this page. So your client is asking to show something other KPIs in other page. What you need to do, you need to take, first of all you will take duplicate to save some time. Let me go right click this, take duplicate. The moment if I take duplicate, where it went to the last. Now I need to bring this somewhere in the middle. What I need to do, previously we will bring here, later we will bring here like this. Now you will see a magic. Okay, just please observe here what's happening. Are you seeing what happening here? It's like a scrolling, it's like a horizontal scroll bar. You can please click and hold your mouse left click, automatically all pages, it's like a scroll bar, like it is going like a train. See, now it went here. Let me keep this here. Oh, now see, automatically it is coming here. This is one of the update which was not there in the previous month updates. All right. So this is all about important updates in this month. Now let me give you a quick recap today what we learned. In this video, we learned Power BI July 2026 feature summary. So in this, we majorly focused on the customized theme like color palettes with modern visual defaults. That is still in the previous stage, and followed by we seen this conditional formatting for line chart, lines and legends, and also we have seen this title spacing and some page tab navigation improvements. Here if I scroll down, you can see all the updates here. Okay, you can see all the updates here. I would request you please go through this blog URL. Now thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe NDAC YouTube channel. Let's catch up in another video.